Imagine unlocking a power within you that turns every obstacle into an opportunity, every fear into freedom. Sounds incredible, right? In today's video, we're going to explore 10 powerful Buddhist teachings that can completely reshape the way you view your life's challenges. These teachings aren't just ancient wisdom locked away in monasteries, they're practical tools you can use in your daily life to cultivate resilience, inner peace, and true happiness. From embracing impermanence to understanding the nature of suffering, these teachings offer a roadmap to living a life that's not just free from stress, but full of meaning and purpose. And the best part? You don't need to be a monk or meditate for hours a day to benefit from these insights. With just a shift in perspective and a few small changes in your daily habits, you can start living a more fulfilling, peaceful life today. Let's start. But before we start, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel Buddhism Insight. For more insights into Buddhist teachings and practices, hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any part of the video, and comment down below that how is your life going, good or bad. Just comment below now. Let's start the video. 1. Embrace obstacles as opportunities. Embracing obstacles as opportunities is a powerful mindset that can transform how we approach challenges in our lives. Rather than viewing difficulties as setbacks or barriers, this perspective encourages us to see them as valuable chances for growth and learning. Each obstacle presents a unique opportunity to develop resilience, creativity, and problem-solving skills. By shifting our focus from the frustration of the problem to the potential benefits of overcoming it, we can cultivate a more positive and proactive approach to adversity. For instance, when faced with a challenging situation at work or in our personal lives, viewing it as an opportunity allows us to explore new solutions and develop our abilities. This mindset helps us to remain motivated and engaged, even when the path forward is unclear. It also fosters a sense of empowerment, as we recognize that our responses to obstacles can significantly impact our outcomes. Embracing obstacles as opportunities ultimately leads to personal growth and a greater sense of fulfillment, as we learn to navigate life's challenges with confidence and optimism. 2. Cultivate a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset involves adopting the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through effort, practice, and learning. This concept, popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, emphasizes that challenges and failures are not reflections of our innate capabilities, but rather opportunities for development. With a growth mindset, we view our abilities as malleable and open to improvement, which encourages us to persist in the face of difficulties and strive for continuous self-improvement. A growth mindset fosters a love of learning and resilience, as we come to see setbacks as part of the learning process rather than as insurmountable obstacles. This perspective helps us approach new challenges with curiosity and a willingness to experiment rather than fear of failure. By embracing a growth mindset, we can unlock our full potential and achieve greater success in various areas of life, from personal goals to professional aspirations. It empowers us to approach challenges with confidence and a sense of possibility, ultimately leading to greater achievements and satisfaction. 3. Practice. Mindful resilience. Mindful resilience combines the principles of mindfulness with the ability to bounce back from adversity. It involves staying present and grounded while navigating challenges, allowing us to respond to difficulties with clarity and calmness. By practicing mindfulness, we develop greater awareness of our thoughts and emotions, which helps us manage stress and maintain a balanced perspective during tough times. This awareness enables us to approach challenges with a more measured and thoughtful response, rather than reacting impulsively or being overwhelmed by our emotions. Incorporating mindfulness into our approach to resilience also helps us to accept and process our experiences without judgment. This acceptance reduces the impact of negative emotions and allows us to focus on constructive actions that can address the challenges at hand. By practicing mindful resilience, we strengthen our ability to cope with adversity, maintain emotional stability, and recover more effectively from setbacks. This approach not only enhances our personal well-being, but also improves our capacity to handle future challenges with grace and equanimity. 4. Leverage your strengths. Leveraging your strengths involves identifying and utilizing your unique abilities and talents to overcome challenges and achieve your goals. By focusing on what you do best, you can approach problems with greater confidence and efficiency. This strategy helps you to harness your natural skills and attributes in a way that maximizes your potential and leads to more effective solutions. Recognizing and building upon your strengths can also boost your motivation and engagement, making it easier to tackle obstacles with a positive attitude. Understanding your strengths also allows you to delegate tasks and collaborate with others more effectively. When working with a team, knowing each member's strengths can lead to better distribution of responsibilities and a more cohesive approach to problem solving. By leveraging your strengths, you can enhance your performance, achieve your goals more efficiently, and build a greater sense of accomplishment. This focus on strengths not only helps you navigate challenges, but also contributes to your overall growth and success. 5. Seek support and collaboration. Seeking support and collaboration involves recognizing when you need help and actively reaching out to others for assistance. This approach acknowledges that we don't have to face challenges alone and that working with others can provide valuable perspectives, resources, and encouragement. Collaboration fosters a sense of community and shared purpose, which can enhance problem solving and lead to more innovative solutions. By seeking support, you also build stronger relationships and networks that can offer ongoing assistance and guidance. In addition to practical support, collaborating with others can provide emotional reassurance and motivation. When we share our challenges with trusted individuals, we gain comfort and perspective, which helps us maintain resilience and optimism. Seeking support and collaborating with others also allows us to learn from their experiences and insights, enriching our own understanding and approach. By embracing the value of support and collaboration, we enhance our ability to navigate obstacles and achieve our goals more effectively. 6. Maintain a positive outlook. Maintaining a positive outlook involves focusing on the potential benefits and opportunities that can arise from challenging situations. This mindset encourages us to see obstacles not as insurmountable barriers but as chances for growth and improvement. A positive outlook helps us to remain optimistic and motivated, even when faced with difficulties. By focusing on the potential for positive outcomes, we can approach challenges with a more constructive and hopeful attitude. A positive outlook also influences how we handle setbacks and failures. Rather than dwelling on the negatives, we can shift our attention to what we can learn from the experience and how we can apply those lessons moving forward. This approach fosters resilience and helps us to stay engaged with our goals. By maintaining a positive outlook, we enhance our ability to overcome obstacles and achieve success, while also cultivating a greater sense of overall well-being and satisfaction. 7. Set clear goals and priorities. Setting clear goals and priorities involves defining what you want to achieve and identifying the steps necessary to reach those goals. This process helps you to stay focused and organized, providing a roadmap for navigating challenges and making decisions. By establishing clear goals, you create a sense of direction and purpose, which helps you to remain motivated and committed to overcoming obstacles. Prioritizing your goals also ensures that you allocate your resources and efforts effectively, addressing the most important tasks first. Clear goals and priorities also provide a framework for evaluating progress and making adjustments as needed. When challenges arise, having well-defined goals allows you to assess how they impact your objectives and determine the best course of action. This clarity helps you to stay on track and maintain a sense of control, even when faced with difficulties. By setting clear goals and priorities, you enhance your ability to manage challenges and achieve success, while also building confidence and a sense of accomplishment. 8. Adapt and be flexible. Adapting and being flexible involves adjusting your approach and strategies in response to changing circumstances. Flexibility is essential for navigating obstacles effectively, as it allows you to respond to new information and unexpected developments with agility. By remaining open to alternative solutions and willing to change course when necessary, you increase your chances of overcoming challenges and achieving your goals. Adaptability also helps you to stay resilient and maintain a positive attitude, even when faced with setbacks. Being flexible also involves recognizing and adjusting to your own limitations and strengths. When challenges arise, adapting your approach based on your current abilities and resources helps you to manage difficulties more effectively. This flexibility allows you to explore new opportunities and make the most of changing situations, leading to more successful outcomes. By embracing adaptability, you enhance your ability to navigate obstacles and achieve your objectives, while also fostering a more resilient and resourceful mindset. 9. Reflect and learn. Reflecting and learning from experiences involves taking the time to evaluate your actions and outcomes and gaining insights that can inform future decisions. This process helps you to understand what worked well and what could be improved, allowing you to apply these lessons to new challenges. Reflection encourages continuous personal and professional growth, as it provides an opportunity to assess your strengths, weaknesses, and areas for development. By engaging in regular reflection, you can also build greater self-awareness and improve your problem-solving skills. Learning from past experiences helps you to avoid repeating mistakes and to make more informed choices moving forward. Reflection also fosters a growth mindset, as it emphasizes the value of experience and learning in overcoming obstacles. By incorporating reflection and learning into your approach, you enhance your ability to navigate challenges and achieve long-term success. 10. Prioritize inner peace. Prioritizing inner peace involves focusing on cultivating a state of mental and emotional calm, regardless of external circumstances. Inner peace is achieved through practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and self-reflection, which help to center the mind and reduce stress. By prioritizing inner peace, you create a stable foundation from which you can approach life's challenges with greater clarity and resilience. This state of calm allows you to respond to difficulties more thoughtfully and effectively, rather than reacting impulsively or being overwhelmed by emotions. Maintaining inner peace also enhances your overall well-being and quality of life. When you prioritize inner tranquility, you reduce the impact of stress and anxiety on your daily experience. This focus on inner peace helps you to remain balanced and centered, even in the face of adversity. By nurturing a sense of inner calm, you foster a more positive and constructive approach to problem solving, ultimately leading to greater satisfaction and success in both personal and professional aspects of life. Conclusion: these 10 Buddhist teachings offer a profound way to transform your life, turning challenges into opportunities, cultivating inner peace, and living with greater clarity and purpose. Remember, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. By incorporating these teachings into your daily life, you can unlock the power within you to live a life of true freedom, happiness, and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights on how to live a more meaningful and peaceful life.